tirelessly for the victory of the party as far as the elections are concerned, and he himself is an MP from the northeast in the national capital. Let's listen into what he has said.
कमी है, आज जितनी खुशी है उसके आगे शब्द कम पड़ रहे हैं, मगर हम ये जानते हैं कि दिल्ली की जनता को हमें हृदय से धन्यवाद करना है। दिल्ली की जनता ने जो प्यार आशीर्वाद दिया है मोदी की गारंटी को, वो कमाल है, उसको बारंबार प्रणाम है। दिल्ली की जनता ने विश्वास किया है मोदी जी की गारंटी पर, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के डबल इंजन पर, और हम दिल्ली को वैसे सजा करके देंगे। अब इसके लिए आगे बढ़े। आम आदमी पार्टी खत्म, टाटा बाय बाय फिनिश, अब इनका कोई वजूद नहीं रहेगा। और जैसे ही हम 2.5-3 वर्षों में दिल्ली को उसकी खुशियां देंगे, तब लोगों को और कलई खुलेगी कि कितने बड़े ये अभिशाप बन के दिल्ली पर बैठे हुए।
My colleague Mehndi is there with me on the broadcast. Mehndi, as we have just heard BJP MP Manoj Tiwari on sweeping victory by the Bharatiya Janata Party in the national capital, what remains to be lying ahead for the Aam Aadmi Party is also a next big question. While there are deliberations on who's going to be the next chief minister from the BJP as the new government is set to be formed, but as he also in fact reiterated that this is the final end of the Aam Aadmi Party, and especially the Supremo who rose as a crusader against corruption.
Well, indeed, Simran, now BJP is all set to form the government in Delhi after securing a historic victory in the assembly elections, winning 48 seats and marking its return to power in the national capital after 27 years. And all the BJP leaders termed this win, this mandate as historic, and hailed the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And we just heard BJP MP Manoj Tiwari, who has specifically mentioned that forming a government with 48 seats is historic. And he also thanked the people of Delhi, and now he also assured the people of Delhi that BJP will work for the betterment of the Delhi and for the betterment of the people. And BJP will make Delhi a world-class capital city. And not only this, Simran, various reactions came from different leaders, different candidates, and also BJP candidate Tarvinder Singh Marwa, who won the elections against Manish Sisodia, we can say, who defeated Aam Aadmi Party candidate Manish Sisodia, also mentioned that how the public of Delhi has bestowed their trust on PM Modi's guarantees. So yes, it can be said then that all the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party hailed the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday. And now the question still remains, as you also mentioned, that who will be the chief minister candidate from the Bharatiya Janata Party. But the question still remains from the Aam Aadmi Party that, what will be their future roadmap? Who will be the leader of opposition? So yes, the question still remains, and the questions are a lot. But BJP is very much confident as they have stormed to power in the national capital, winning a 2/3 majority, while the ruling Aam Aadmi Party suffered major blows and a drastic reduction in its numbers in the 70-member assembly, and all the senior leaders except from Atishi has been defeated by the BJP candidate. So it is a very big loss for the Aam Aadmi Party. But what will be the BJP's future plans in the national capital is also, will be very also rather interesting to see. Yes, Imran.
Well, absolutely, Mehndi. In fact, now all eyes are on who is going to be the next chief minister, as very rightly pointed out as well. Meanwhile, we also have many reactions coming in from the